The vibrant nightlife of UK cities like London, Manchester and Edinburgh offers single ladies a thrilling experience, with a plethora of clubs, bars and cultural events to explore. As the clock strikes 3 a.m, the streets often transform into a quieter yet intriguing world, perfect for reflective walks under the city lights. While these cities are generally safe, it's crucial for single women to remain vigilant during late-night strolls, opting for well-lit, populated areas and staying connected. Nightlife and 3 a.m. street walks in the cities of the UK can offer a unique and exhilarating experience for single ladies, combining the vibrant energy of urban life with moments of serene solitude. Cities like London, Manchester and Edinburgh come alive after dark, boasting an array of nightclubs, bars and live music venues that cater to diverse tastes. The social scene is often lively, with opportunities to meet new people and enjoy the pulsating rhythms of nightlife. However, it's important to prioritise safety, staying with friends, communicating with venue staff, and trusting your instincts can enhance the experience and ensure peace of mind. Whether dancing in a club or wandering through city streets, the UK's nightlife offers a captivating experience that's as safe as it is exhilarating. Remember, if you ever feel uncomfortable, local support services are available to assist. Whether you're stepping out for a night of revelry or a tranquil midnight stroll, the UK's nightlife offers an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. Nighttime exploration is more than entertainment. It is curiosity in motion. It is about seeing cities stripped of their daytime masks. Without crowds, without urgency, urban spaces reveal their truest character. At 3 a.m, the city belongs to a rare community: night workers, artists, musicians, travellers and wanderers, each navigating the darkness with purpose. London After Dark is a city within a city, a global capital that reinvents itself nightly, blending sophistication with spontaneity. From the polished exclusivity of Mayfair nightclubs to the warm intimacy of East London pubs, the city offers every shade of nocturnal experience. At 3 in the morning, London feels both vast and personal. Conversations spill onto pavements. Taxi drivers become storytellers. Strangers exchange knowing smiles, the unspoken bond of those awake when the world rests. Yet beneath the glamour lies structure. London's night economy is supported by transport networks, night buses and visible policing, an ecosystem designed to keep the city moving safely after hours. If London is spectacle, Manchester is sound. This city breathes music. From warehouse raves to underground gigs, Manchester's nightlife is a testament to creativity born after dark. It is here that legendary sounds emerged, and where new voices still find their stage. At 3 a.m, Manchester feels raw and real. There is grit, yes, but also warmth. The night here is communal. Strangers talk. Bar staff remember your name. Music becomes the common language.